First of all, I don't want this video to be long. Anything that will make this video to be long, I am going to avoid it. I will make sure that it is short, concise, and straightforward. Okay, now pay serious attention. Here I am going to write today because a lot of people has been telling me that they don't know how to write story. They can't even think about a story. I was like, wow, what do you mean that you cannot write story? Because in the website we are going to look into today, here you write stories, you read stories, and I always encourage people to write, because when you write, that is when you will be making a better money. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose. I am not a financial advice, and I am not giving you a guarantee that you will earn even after registration on this particular website. You have every right to do a thorough research on any video you see online. So in that case, I am not guaranteeing you for any payment. Do your research and make your own decisions. So the website we'll be looking into today, the name is Story Minta. Even if you know about this website, probably your stories has not been getting views. You need to calm down and watch it and see how your story can be getting views, how you can automate it, and also how you can connect it to other social media accounts so that it will be getting a plenty view, because as people are reading that your story, you are making money. So now let's dive into the business of the day. Once you click that link in the comment section, it brings you here. The first place you are going to see is this interface, okay? And for you to write, for you to automate your story, for you to connect your story to other social media, and also for you to get paid on this particular platform, you are going to pay a 3,500 naira, okay? That is a one-time payment for the whole year. You are not paying again, all right? So then how are you going to make this money? When you watch this video from beginning to the end, I am going to detail everything for you. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, because I will be bringing better updates like this for you, and I am going to narrow everything down. Just pay attention in everything that I am doing, because I'm going to do them one after the other, okay? First of all, I will tell you around the interface of this website, what you need to know, so that when you start, it will be very easy and simple for you, okay? First of all, look at this place. This is your dashboard, all right? In this dashboard, this is where you see how much you have in. Okay, let me open it. So this place, you see my stories are generating an income for me. Okay, you will see the how much you are in and how much that you are being earning on this particular website. Okay, that is the everything that you'll be seeing in your dashboard. All right, then the second button is the right button. Okay, in this right button, this is where you write story, because we are going to write story. Those of you asking me that they don't know how to write story, don't worry, calm your nerves. I'm going to teach you everything here. Okay, and if you see that I am really doing justice to this video, subscribe to this channel, okay, because you will keep getting my updates like this. All right, now this is where you write your story. Once you click on that right, you write stories, and you also publish book. A lot of people publish their book here and they are making money with it. Okay, let me go back so that I show you other things. Then if you look at the third button here is the analytics. This analytics summarize everything that you are doing in this website. Okay, as you can see, everything that I am doing here, you will see it, and the analytics is going to show them all to you. All right, so right now you look at the fourth button, which is a book market. In this book market, you are going to be seeing other people's book. All these books here are on sale. They are all in premium. That is why you need to be in a premium for you to get access to most of the things here. You must pay that 3,500 naira, because it is a one-time payment for the whole year. If you pay it for this year, it means that it is another year that you are going to renew it while in writing book and writing your stories, and people are reading it. Okay, then another button, which is the last one, is the read button. Okay, in this read button, this is where you see other people's story and read. Okay, here you see other people's story. Look at writers like you. All these people are writers. This person have 126 story, this person have 188 story, this person has 45 story. Okay, you can open their stories. You see a lot of stories they have. You go ahead and read them. Okay, these are their stories. Any of them that entice you, maybe you want to know how to read or write, you can just go ahead and open any of their story and you read it, okay, and see how they write their own story. But please and please, I want to beg you in the name of God, do not copy somebody's story on this platform and write. Do not, on no account should you copy someone's story. I'm going to show you how you will get a story you will write. Okay, just chill and calm down. All right, let's be going. Now I have told you around the interface of this website. So look up here again. You will see these three dots up here. All right, in these three dots, I want you to come down. All right, you will see this setting here. Okay, go ahead and click on it. If you want to connect your stories to other social media accounts, all you need to do is to click on that three button up, click on the setting, come here and click on the social. Once you click on this social, okay, you will be able to connect your story to other social media accounts like Facebook, like Twitter, like Instagram, and all that. Okay, so it is very easy and simple. All right, so without wasting much of your time, let me now teach you going to write this story. Okay, now I am going to go to the right, come back to this right, this place I click now. I will click on it. Okay, they will tell me to write. In this place, they ask me to write story. Okay, you know this story, as I write it, people read it and I will get paid for it. Okay, I am going to set up all these things you are seeing here. I'm going to write a story to set them up. Okay, just follow me, let's do it diligently. All right, there are so many stories you can write. You can click on this category. If you don't know any story you want to write, click on this category. I am just giving you an inspo. All right, when you click on that category, you will see a lot of stories you can write. You can write business and also you can write comedy story, you can write crime stories, you can write folktale, all of them are all story. You can just write any of them. Okay, now we are going to go to ChatGPT to get a story. All right, just follow me, let's go to ChatGPT. Right now, I want to write a true crime story, and listen and see how you are going to arrange it so that it will come out so nice and perfect. Okay, tell ChatGPT to write a true crime story. How a lady was killed at Third Mainland Bridge. Write a title, short description of this story, about 120 to 160 character. Make the story engaging. Okay, it must be up to 120 to 160 character, your story description. Okay, you will see that ChatGPT has given me both the title and a short description that is 120 to 160 character, and this is my full story. Okay, so now once ChatGPT finish writing both the story, both the title and the description for you, okay, you go ahead and tell ChatGPT to generate a thumbnail for you, and this thumbnail must be in Story Minta standard. Okay, now it has generated a very nice thumbnail for me. So anybody that is seeing this thumbnail will likely want to know what happened at Third Mainland Bridge. All right, and seeing this lady here, give them that eager and attention to know really what really happened at Third Mainland Bridge. That is what anybody that will see this banner, because this banner is the banner that you are going to see and attract you for you to read that story. And as you are reading that story, I am getting paid. Okay, I am getting paid as people are reading that story. Okay, now we will start doing what? Taking this thing to Story Minta. Okay, first of all, I am going to copy everything. So right now we are back at the Story Minta. How do I go ahead to start uploading story? Remember I told you, you come here and click on this right. Okay, now you click this place that says short story. Okay, and it says start writing. Now the first thing I am going to see here is my cover page, which I am going to upload. Okay, remember that ChatGPT has already generated everything for us. Okay, now my image has been uploaded. Okay, the second one, I am going to put the title of my story. Now I am putting the title for my story. This is the title of my story. You are going to make it short and concise in such a way that it will attract the readers. So the third one is that I am going to put the description for this story. All right, note that ChatGPT has given us all these things. All right, and it must be that 120 to 160 character. Okay, look here, you will see that the SEO is good and they mark it for me. Okay, it is up to 120 to 160 character. You almost look this way. All right, because if it is more than this, they will not allow it. Okay, now the story I wrote in this story category. All right, you click on it, you click on the story category. The story I wrote was about crime story, and I choose the crime story. If you're really getting value on this video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like, comment, and check other videos on this platform on how to make legit money online. All right, so now, in your tag, you are going to put true crime story. All right, these are the things that you are going to put there. So look up, you will see this paid story. Okay, in this paid story, you are going to put how much you want your story to be paid. All right, you are going to turn this button. Okay, so in this story, I want it to be paid. I want to sell this story for 30 cents. If you want your story to be $1, if you want your story to be $20, if you want your story to be 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, it is all less for you. All right, so this story to be 30 cents. Okay, in this space here, I'm going to paste my story there. Okay, now I have copied my story and I have pasted it here. Okay, your story too should be more than 500 characters. Your story should be up to 500 characters. All right. So you see, my story is up to 500 characters, and they are telling me to click on the submit for review. Once I click on this submit for review, this story will stay for like 2 to 3 hours before they will review it and upload it for me. The reason is because they want to know if you copy someone's story on this platform. That is why I said you should not copy someone's story. If you copy someone's story, they will block you ASAP. If you copy someone's story, they will reshare that story and block you. I know why I'm saying this. I know a lot of people that have done that today, they have lost their account. So don't you ever try and copy someone's story. Don't copy anybody's story. Go and write your story. I've already teach you and tell you how you can write your own story. Okay, so like I said, your story must be up to 500 words. You see, my story is 948 words. All right, so this is it. All right, then the next thing you do is to come here and click on this submit for review, which is going to last for 2 to 3 hours. You see, my story has been submitted for a review. Okay, my story has been submitted for a review. So that is basically how you write your own story. You see, the story is pending, so they will be checking to know if I copied someone's story on this particular platform. So guys, here is basically everything about this Story Minta. Okay, all you need to do immediately you finish watching this video is click on that link. It will bring you here immediately. Then you go ahead and start. Please, if you want to register for a new account, you will see where they will tell you to upgrade. Just click on it and go ahead and upgrade. And again, for you to withdraw on this account, it is very easy and simple, which you can withdraw with your Naira account. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you're going to withdraw. Okay, it's very easy. Just come here and click on this withdraw fund. I don't have up to $10. You must have up to $10 before you'll be able to withdraw. Now you click on this request for withdrawal. Once you click on that request for withdrawal, you go ahead and put your account details. Okay, you go ahead, put your account details, First Bank, OPay, anything, and they will forward the money to you. Okay, that is how easy and simple it is. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to ask me a question anywhere you are confused, and also like and share this video. Please support this my small channel to grow. All right, and I will keep bringing better updates like this. Thank you.